Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daydrian. Richie Spice celebrates an album and a birthday in one. On Friday, Richie Spice was in Kingston to celebrate with industry players and fans the release of his 10th studio album, Black Man Time. Now Richie, who is credited as producer on the album via his Richie Spice music label, spoke to E-Prime on the significance of this body of work.
This album different in a format. Alright, this carry 14 tracks. It's entitled Black Man Time. It carry 4 combinations that I've never done before, like that on an album. Black Man Time because it's Black Man Time now. Yes. And the process, it take a long while, it take about 5 years. You know, I mean, it never does do like that. You know, it take a while and it does happen to be released on my birthday.
He shared that persons have been asking for and can hear him and his brothers on the album.
Travel over the world is like people always ask me, oh, you and the brothers them don't come together and do something. Yeah, we'll make sure we put that in place to serve the people, give the people what they ask for over the years. Yeah. Yeah, so we talk about the combination with players, and you know we have Caperton, you know, Charlie Blacks, you know we talk about Louis Culture. Yeah, I mean it's just a total different album.
Richie at the launch performed the tracks from the project, which included the acoustic version of his 2000s hit single Erta Run Red, for which he says the message was lost in the previous music.
Let me tell you truthfully about this good world and me. I want peace of mind, can't you see? You're gonna get it somewhere, and it's there for me.
Now Mariah Carey celebrates 30 years of Music Box. The multi-platinum singer over the weekend released a special edition of her third album Music Box for its 30th anniversary. The 4 LP set Music Box 30th Anniversary Expanded Edition sees the original in its entirety on disc 1, featuring some of her greatest hits like Dream Lover, Now That I Know, Anytime You Need a Friend, Without You, as well as Hero. Discs 2 and 3 premiere a variety of previously unreleased tracks and brand new remixes, including Working Hard, All I Have For You extended version, My Prayer, Hero 2009 version, Anytime You Need a Friend, the extended remix, and a Music Box in a cappella format. In addition is Everything Fades Away, which was previously available only as an international bonus track. The digital release via Columbia Records and Legacy Recordings also sees a collectible limited edition cassette of the original album. The physical LPs for the 30th edition special is on pre-order and is due out next year. Mariah's Music Box is one of the best-selling albums in the world and remains the Songbird's biggest seller in the UK. Now, still on some Mariah news, she is celebrating